Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Mercedes GLA180 Urban Edition. This car comes with the 1.6 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 120 brake horsepower. This is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 36,000 miles and comes with service history from Mercedes. This particular colour is the Cosmos Black and looks in good condition for the mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. With the seats there, you've got the half leather edges and then the pattern going up the centre. There's also a armrest there for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your FM radio and Bluetooth for your phone. And this car also has air conditioning as well as automatic headlights and wipers, for example. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and full window controls. Access into the rear is nice and easy, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats, lots of legroom and headroom. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's good to see the car's still got the original carpet floor mats from Mercedes too. Opening the tailgate on the GLA reveals a good sized boot there, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have some extra storage space there too. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.